The Santa Cruz real estate market is hot. In fact, it's up nearly 20% year over year. But what is driving this huge spike in prices? There are many factors at work, but key among them is the low supply of inventory. There just aren't enough homes for sale to meet demand. Not even close. But other factors are at work too. On September 13, 2012, the Federal Reserve announced that they would be spending $40 billion per month to boost the economy. That's what ordinary folks call printing money, and they're still at it. Demand for housing is not being generated so much by a strong economy, but rather by record low interest rates thanks to fiscal alchemy by the Federal Reserve. But what happens when interest rates rise? What happens when more inventory comes on the market? Savvy investors know the joyride could be ending soon. But at the moment, supply is tight, very tight. In most parts of Santa Cruz County, there is less than 2 months of inventory available, and 6 months is considered balanced. And over the past several years, inventory has been running a lot higher than that. This is the strongest seller's market we've seen in generations, and we might not ever see another one like it. Thinking that prices might still go a lot higher soon? They might, but chances are they won't. In fact, prices will probably make their way back down again once the supply opens up and interest rates rise, which is just a matter of time. Do you want to be left holding the bag, like the last time when the real estate market took a dive in 2007? If you're considering selling soon, the first step is to get a free, no-obligation, expertly prepared home price report on your home. Simply fill out the form on this webpage, and we'll get to work on your right price analysis straight away. Don't let this amazing seller's market pass you by. Take action today.